Hello, my name is Greg Baker. I'm the managing partner with Alumni Ventures Sports Fund. The Sports Fund is part of Alumni Ventures, a network-powered venture firm, helping accredited individuals become more successful venture investors. Welcome to today's webinar. We're pleased you're able to join us. We're speaking today about the Sports Fund and our views of the associated landscape. This presentation is for informational purposes only and is not an offer to buy or sell securities, which are only made pursuant to the formal offering documents for the fund. Please review important disclosures in the materials provided for the webinar, which you can access at www.av-funds.com/disclosures. Before we get started, a few housekeeping reminders. You will be on mute for the entire presentation, and this webinar is recorded and will be shared after the event. We encourage you to submit questions throughout the webinar. We will do our best to answer all questions submitted or follow up with you via email. To ask questions, please enter your questions in the question section of your GoToWebinar control panel. So now that the legal stuff's a little out of the way, thanks for coming, welcome. And I often hear people talk about, post the Super Bowl, it's kind of a dry period for sports, but just watched a lot of college basketball this weekend. Watched went to two NBA games. Watched a Formula One race. Major League Baseball starting this week. It's a crazy time, but I think the entire calendar is full of sports. So as I said, a few more legal things, but let's get started. Welcome to the forefront of venture capital, where Alumni Ventures stands out for innovation and progress. Recognized as a top 20 venture firm in the United States, according to CB Insights, we are not just participants in the venture capital space, we are leading it. With a sprawling portfolio and a key eye for the next big thing, we have a strong presence in venture capital. Our approach, simple. We democratize across venture capital, offering you, our investors, the opportunity to join us in this journey of discovery and growth. Today, we'll cover venture capital, Alumni Ventures approach, and then introduce you to our new fund, Sports, one of the first industry-specific funds in our family. We're the team running Alumni Ventures Sports Fund. As I mentioned, I'm Greg Baker, the managing partner. I've been with Alumni Ventures for over 7 years and have made well over 100 investments in our model. Prior to joining Alumni Ventures, I ran a startup and had a long career as an investor in corporations. I have a degree in mechanical engineering from the University of Wisconsin and an MBA from Duke University's Fuqua School of Business. On the sports side, my personal career pales in comparison to my teammates, but sports has been a big part of my life as a participant, spectator, coach, and recently as a minority owner.
Hi everyone, my name is Keaton Nankiville. I'm a senior principal on the team here. I'm a graduate of the University of Wisconsin, where I played basketball, got my degree in kinesiology and education. After school, I played 5 professional seasons of basketball across Europe, including stops in the German, Spanish, Russian, and Italian leagues. Right after my basketball career ended, I met Greg and joined his team as an intern on his first fund at Basketball Ventures. Since then, I went on to get my MBA, also at Wisconsin, worked with a corporate venture team, and then rejoined Alumni Ventures full-time in 2020. And as you could probably guess, I'm beyond excited to be focusing some of our attention on the sports landscape here at Alumni Ventures.
Unfortunately, our third teammate couldn't be with us today. Matt Jones is a graduate of Duke University. He was a 2-time captain on the basketball team, including a starting position on the 2015 National Championship team. After a career in professional basketball with stops in the G League, a little bit in the NBA, and Japan, Matt entered the business world in commercial real estate, specializing in biotech startups. He joined Alumni Ventures last summer. Together, we embody the spirit and drive that define our fund.
So to start our presentation, let's start with considering why venture capital is a smart investment. In our estimation, it's because it's where the future is made. Venture capitals consistently outperform public markets, offering unique diversification benefits and access to unprecedented value creation in the private sector. With a track record of favorable risk-reward profiles, venture investing is not just smart, it's also strategic. By partnering with us, you're joining a movement that is shaping tomorrow's market leaders.
Your trust is our greatest asset. Over 10,000 individuals have already chosen Alumni Ventures as their venture capital partner, entrusting us with their investment goals. With over 1.3 billion in capital raised in a portfolio of over 1,300 companies, our growth speaks volumes. Our team of 40 full-time venture investors, supported by 90 dedicated employees, is committed to delivering exceptional value and returns. As I mentioned, CB Insights just named Alumni Ventures to their top 20 venture investors, along with brand names like Andreessen Horowitz, Excel, Lightspeed, and Bessemer. They even ranked us above Kleiner Perkins. This list is not just based on making investments, but also based upon performance. To be on this list so early in our history is a testament to our investing thesis and our network. We let our performance speak for itself. Industry tracking has marked our performance as a top quartile venture firm year after year. We're not just participating in the market, we're raising the bar. With metrics like DPI, distributions paid in capital, and TVPI, total value to paid in capital, we showcase our ability to not only return capital, but to grow it. Excelling in Cambridge Associates venture benchmarks underscores our commitment to excellence and value creation. While 11% ROI is not particularly impressive, when taken in consideration with how VC fund valuations grow through the years, it's a great start. As you will see shortly, the bulk of the money in this calculation has been invested in a relatively recent period of time. VC fund valuations typically start slowly, often go negative for a few years, and then accelerate. Being ahead of the public benchmarks this early is a strong sign. Of course, past performance does not guarantee future success.
So what exactly do we do? At Alumni Ventures, we're trying to redefine access to venture capital. Our mission is pretty straightforward, but also revolutionary: to empower accredited individuals and institutions with the opportunity to partake in professional-grade venture portfolios. This isn't just about making investments, it's about broadening the ecosystem, enabling our investors to access curated selection of the most promising ventures. Our approach disrupts the traditional VC landscape, making elite opportunities accessible and democratizing the venture capital asset class.
Our journey is one of exponential growth and unwavering commitment to our investors. Since our inception in 2014, we rapidly evolved, marking our presence as America's largest venture firm for individual investors. This slide illustrates our trajectory, showcasing the cumulative capital raised through our funds and highlights our position as the #1 most active venture firm in the US and #3 globally. This growth isn't just a testament to our capabilities, but also to the trust and confidence our investor community places in us. As I mentioned earlier, we are back-end loaded on our investment dollars due to this strong growth rate.
So at Alumni Ventures, our investment strategy is really the foundation of our success. With approximately 40 full-time investment professionals, our deals are meticulously vetted, sourced from our broad networks of deep connections to alumni of fantastic schools. We use a disciplined selection process that leverages the wisdom of small crowds and helps ensure we only elevate the best opportunities. Every month, we delve into probably 500 or more deals, conducting detailed diligence on about 50 of them, and ultimately invest in 20 to 25 new investments. This rigorous approach ensures quality and diversification, laying a solid foundation for potential returns. To use a sports analogy, which I'm very keen on doing, we have a clearly defined playbook here at Alumni Ventures, and we have refined that over time and are committed to running it well. Like any great sports team, we run our playbook exceptionally well and know what we're good at and try not to work outside of those boundaries.
Our commitment to venture CEOs is threefold: speed, flexibility, and network power. We understand the essence of time in the entrepreneurial world, making decisions swiftly to respect an entrepreneur's schedule. Our flexibility allows us to tailor our investments, catering from 25,000 to 10 million based on opportunity potential, but within a specific fund, keeping it balanced, bringing in other funds for larger checks, so that there's not too much risk with any one company. Moreover, our robust network is activated to propel our portfolio companies towards success, illustrating our role as more than investors, we're partners in growth. Our unparalleled deal flow engine is fueled by robust alumni connections spanning more than many of the top 20 university communities, including all of the Ivies, Stanford, MIT, Duke, and more. By investing alongside established VCs like Excel, Benchmark, and Union Square, we not only access elite opportunities, but also contribute to creating them. This strategic positioning has solidified our status as the #1 most active venture capital firm in the US, with approximately 400 investments funded in 2022 alone, including follow-ons. We co-invest with established venture investors. Our strategy of co-investing with leading venture firms is deliberate and strategic. Partnering with names like Andreessen Horowitz, Khosla Ventures, and NEA, among others, amplifies our impact and aligns us with the best in the business. This slide showcases the breadth of our collaborations, highlighting the number of investments made alongside these premier investors. It's a testament to our standing in the ecosystem, enabling us to participate in some of the most competitive and promising deals in the market. Of course, these top name brands are not always the best lead investor for a particular company. We look beyond the brand name to make sure that the company has selected a partner who has a successful track record investing in the specific industry at the current stage of the company. And when we make these investments, we always get the same terms as the lead investor.
Great, so with some background on Alumni Ventures established, let's look at a particularly exciting chapter for us, the Alumni Ventures Sports Fund. This initiative embodies our commitment to innovation in the sports industry, targeting startups that are set to redefine how we experience and engage with sports. From athlete performance to fan engagement to sports media technologies, the Sports Fund is poised to capture the essence of sports evolution. It's a unique opportunity for investors to be part of a movement that's about being at the forefront of sports innovation while remaining committed to pursuing financial returns.
The global sports market is an arena of endless growth and innovation. It's a sector driven by passion, engagement, and technological advancements, making it ripe for investment. But why a fund specifically dedicated to sports? The answer lies in the sheer potential of the market, bolstered by new supporting trends such as esports, fitness tech, and the integration of AR and VR in sports experiences. Our sports fund is designed to tap into this vast and growing domain, offering investors a gateway to high impact ventures in a sector fueled by robust consumer interest and technological innovation. Investing in sports startups is more than a financial decision. It's a stake in the future of entertainment, health, and technology. These startups are at the forefront of addressing large markets with innovative solutions, bridging the gap between technology and physical activity, enhancing fan experiences, and promoting wellness and fitness. Our focus on sports startups is strategic, targeting companies that not only promise significant market potential, but also align with the evolving landscape of consumer behavior and digital transformation.
To further establish ourselves within the sports market, we created our Venture Scout program. Our Scout program represents a strategic enhancement to our sourcing capabilities. By collaborating with successful, experienced angel investors and industry experts, we extend our reach into the sports startup ecosystem, identifying and vetting the most compelling opportunities early in their life cycle. These scouts are not just our eyes and ears, they are our partners in innovation, providing valuable insights and connecting us with groundbreaking companies. The program amplifies our deal flow, ensuring that our investors have access to startups poised for growth and impact in the sports sector.
The sports fund is new, so we don't have a portfolio to show you. However, over the life of Alumni Ventures, we've made many investments in sports companies. A few of them are here and on the next page. These investments represent our commitment to diversity within the sports and wellness ecosystems. Each company showcased here exemplifies our approach, investing in cutting-edge technology, compelling business models, and the potential to revolutionize the sports industry. These are not just investments, they are our belief in the future of sports and entertainment.
So looking briefly at a couple examples from previous AV portfolios, I'm going to start on the left with Anzu. Anzu is an embedded advertising platform that allows companies to place their marketing directly into video games. Think the new Nike shoes on your favorite avatar or dynamic billboards in the arena of your NBA video game.
Also on this page, Future, we invested with Will Ventures, a VC with strong presence in the sports market, and Kleiner Perkins. Future provides individuals with a real professional trainer at a fraction of the cost. By using mobile technology, customized workouts are designed around goals and schedules. I have been a customer and worked out under the direction of the strength and conditioning coach at Valparaiso's basketball team, which I'm not getting on my own in my hometown. So it was a great addition.
On the next page, if you go to the middle, you see Aura. Aura is one of the most popular biometric sensors on the market right now. Their form factor is actually a ring, so you put that ring on and the Aura ring can be worn to measure things like heart rate, body temperature, and a ton of other data points that help people keep track of their health on a daily basis.
I think the NBA required all the players in the bubble to have that in 2020. A slight exception to our rule of investing alongside top tier or venture capital funds with a partner that's specific to the industry, Sleeper, and that was because it was one of the first investments Alumni Ventures made. Our founder, who was running the fund at the time, decided to invest alongside some angel investors, something we no longer do, but the angels were strong for this space, and Sleeper has grown to be a strong performer in our earliest portfolio.
And then the last one on the right here, Status Pro. Status Pro is a leading virtual reality video game with an initial title in collaboration with the NFL called Pro Era. Fun fact behind this company, it's actually founded and run by 2 former NFL players. The technology was originally created to help players mimic practice without having to deal with contact, and eventually that technology turned into a video game that is among the most realistic and actually the only VR video game officially licensed with the NFL. So a huge opportunity for Status Pro. And like Greg has mentioned a number of times, recently raised funding from GV, a fantastic firm, and squarely fits within our mandate of following great lead investors.
So the strength of any venture firm lies not just in its financial performance, but in the trust and relationships it builds. Our investors and founders share their experiences with Alumni Ventures, highlighting our speed, flexibility, and the strategic value we bring. Kareem appreciates our transparent data dashboard. Jayesh lauds our diligence and expertise, while founders like Robert and Jonathan acknowledge the significant impact our network and support have on their businesses. These testimonials are a testament to the collaborative and value-driven ecosystem we've nurtured at Alumni Ventures. As we consider partnership opportunities, understanding the structure of investment in the Alumni Ventures Sports Fund is crucial. With investment amounts ranging from $25,000 to $3 million, we cater to a broad spectrum of investors. Our management fee structure is transparent, and we provide ourselves of the efficiency of our one capital call model. The term provides a clear horizon for liquidity events with a robust strategy for retirement account investing. These key terms reflect our commitment to aligning our success with that of our investors, ensuring clarity and transparency at every step. We invite your questions and curiosity. Our senior partners are more than just fund managers. They are advisors, guides, and collaborators in your investment journey. Whether you wish to delve deeper into our investment strategy, understand more about our portfolio companies, or simply want to know how to get started, we're here to assist. Our goal is not just manage a fund, but to build a community of informed, engaged, and satisfied investors. If you click on a link to meet with us, you may get Dan or Stacy or Darren or Keaton or myself. Rest assured that our senior partners are fully qualified to answer any questions that you have, and I'm very excited to be part of the sports fund as we are. For those eager to explore further, our fund materials offer comprehensive insights into the Alumni Ventures Sports Fund. From detailed investment strategies and portfolio highlights to our visionary approach towards the sports industry, these materials are designed to provide a thorough understanding of the value and opportunities our fund presents. We encourage you to review these documents and reach out with any questions or discussions you'd like to have.
And as we wrap up today's presentation, I'd like to revisit why venture capital is worthy of consideration, and specifically the Alumni Ventures Sports Fund represents a strategic and insightful investment choice. Venture capital has consistently shown an ability to surpass returns in the public markets, making an exceptional diversification strategy. Investors are also able to access groundbreaking innovation that will define the future of the sports industry. And our co-investment strategy is designed to help identify and secure allocation in highly promising venture investments. All of these are reasons that make the Alumni Ventures Sports Fund a compelling consideration for your portfolio. With Alumni Ventures, you're not just investing in companies, you're also investing in the future of sports, health, and technology. As we navigate this journey, our commitment to transparency, excellence, and investor alignment guides every step. Thank you for considering the Alumni Ventures Sports Fund.
We'll now open it up to any questions. We've had one submitted so far. If you have others, please enter those into the question portion of the GoToWebinar